For those who have been looking for H-1B visas, professional working visas, you know that there are some classification to be eligible to get that H-1 visa. We have a good news that market research analyst is a job was not in that classification, was not is classified in a specialty occupation. So people were denied the visas. People were not given the H-1B. So we have a landmark decision from the court ruling out, and now is going to be added. That's a very major victory. And we are going to discuss about that one. But I know that there are some people who do not know what is the H-1B visa. What is that program and how does that work? Just in a very high level. So, this is a program where the U.S. employers are allowed to hire professionals in other countries. And in most cases, majority of them are from India and China. And in high tech, you'll find a lot of them. People in India, man, are so smart. Those people, smart in science. Chinese, Indians, next level. So foreign workers feel a critical need in the U.S. labor market, particularly in the science, technology, engineering, and math fields. Every year, U.S. employers seeking highly skilled foreign professionals submit their petitions for the pool of H-1B visas, visa numbers for the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, controls the allocation. With a low statutory limit, visa numbers available demand for H-1B numbers. So blah, 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 blah. So those kind of things. But one of the things, there is a classification. There is a classification of being able to be able to be that. It has to be that job into a specialty occupation first. Then of that way. So one of the job is this what we call the market research analyst. So this is one of the big position in many companies here in America. You might wonder, what does this person do? This person overall gathers just doing research and gather the data to help a company to make decisions on the market of their products and services locally, nationally, and international in that kind of that way. So technical, it is just a statistical techniques. So it is a science. So it's not just you just go there like a social science, like someone like me, I can go to become a market research analyst. No, it has to be someone who is in science. So that job was not part of it. So for that particular case, the court has made a ruling, and I'm going to read the decision. So the market research analysts have a reason to cheer as U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services has agreed to accept it as a specialty occupation for H-1B visas covered by Indian professionals. This follows the recent class action settlement, blah, 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 from the district court in San Jose, California. The lawsuit was filed by the 4 U.S. employers whose H-1B petitions have been denied when USCIS determined that the market research analysts were not a specialty occupation as required for H-1B visa classification. Jobs in H-1B category require a worker to process highly specialized knowledge acquired through bachelor or higher degree in a specific specialty or equivalent to at entry level. So for that particular case, being the landmark, the settlement now gives the U.S. business another chance to bring or to have their H-1B visas. So for the people who were denied the visas, the companies, the employers who were denied to hire those people, now they are going to be allowed to submit again those cases. So the settlement gives U.S. business another chance to have the H-1B market research analyst petitions approved. That's number one for the new guidance. But also, they are going to reopen the petition of all submitted before, and the people who are denied, they will be able to hire those one, and those people will be able to be given. So this is another good another decision which is in favor of people who are denied, just because of the one decision of not to classify market research analysts as part of it. I don't know, people are looking just the name, just the market, they think it's not a science. I don't know what did they do that. So now it is going to be part of the classification, and you will see a lot of people will be able to be given H-1B or H-1 visas will be able to be processed. And so for the people, especially from India, people from China, those will be able to be benefiting a lot, because there are majority of them from this one who are supposed to get it, but also from other countries too. But one thing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Subscribe and share this video.